Hey guys, Chris with Kelly's Garage. Finally got the Whipple 3.0 installed. It actually wasn't that bad. Last night we finished up around 3:30. To give you an idea of like a timeline, I started Friday evening, right? So I started Friday evening around 6 o'clock and we finished last night at 3 a.m. Now granted, like when I work, I don't really take breaks, but we got the car done. Leak tested it, everything's tightened up, buttoned up, real nice. That's why we put our car back together. I'm about to go take it for a ride. I'll let you know how she rips. Stay tuned, because we're probably going to be going to the track on Wednesday. So, track time's coming like real soon, like 3 days real soon.